This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Big fall yesterday. Kind of continued into the overnight, but kind of choppy as well. Let's look at it in one second. Let me just turn something off here. Okay. So ES, it's high. 57.63, it's low. 57.35. About 28 points in range. NQ, 996, down at 878. It's about 120 points in range. Good morning, Juan. How are you doing today? Copper, about 180 ticks in range. The ultra bond of the big fall overnight, about a point in range. Gold, just under about 19 points in range. Crude oil rising up over the Middle East tensions. About 2 points in range. Natural gas rising up as well. Bitcoin sitting about 61.1. It's down as well. So that's where you sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Blue candle pop there. Where is my Tradeify window? There it is. Well, my Tradeify window is white, so I need to reboost. I'm not going to get in on this trade. That sucks. Love how Tradeify crashes often. Okay. Remember that. That was good. I didn't get in on that trade. Right back down. So Tradeify crashing saved me a loss. That was very nice of it. Can you all hear me? Making sure every now and then this mic have the settings right or something. Back up. Back up. Tell me, will you love me forever? Oh, sorry. ATR is about 8, so we're kind of moving this morning. News this morning, we have coming up in just 10 minutes, U.S. ADP employment change. At the top of the hour, we have a Fed speaker, and at 10:05 we have a Fed speaker, and I haven't heard of either of the Fed speakers that are speaking. Hammock and Musalam. Then at 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. struggling to move up here. And back down. At 931, the low a day. 878, so about 50 points away from that. So kind of mid-range right now. Looking to see if it has any oomph up. Oomph up. Coming down. Looking for a bounce. Ouch. $30 seconds on this candle. It's trying to do a blue. We took the blue. That nice rise up. I'm going to take it off there for 7.5 points. Started pausing there, so I'll take that as my first trade of the day, 150 bucks. One win so far. I could have got the full 10, but I'm not upset. Okay, we got news in 1 minute. U.S. ADP non-farm employment change. Fool's back right before news. Let's see how we do. Let's see what happens. Pops up. Big pop. 21 points. pulls back after the first candle. First candle closed at 18 points. Nice pullback. See where it wants to go. Blue candle. So up, down, and up. Maybe? Nope. Went away. Went away. Y'all are very quiet today. Still trying to bounce off the 100 EMA here. So 1 for 1 so far this morning, looking for more. Sitting about $944 away from passing this account. Keep going forward and back. 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. We come together 'cause opposites attract. So that was our only major news report of the day besides crude oil inventories, but we do have Fed speakers. They will be speaking to the Fed. Still rising back up. ICNQ a rising. It's up to 974. So can it reclaim 20,000? These are the questions we ask here, MightyOxTrading. We also asked, is there anybody out there? Hey, Platt, how you doing? And Speed Racer, good morning. I was beginning to think I was all alone. Back down to the 9. Well, good to see you, gentlemen. That was a nice pull down, and I should have grabbed the red candle, and I didn't. It didn't even register in my brain. My brain. Got to take out them all after these green things. You can see here it's been a nice 10-point win. Easy. Easy, they say. Cryptocon's been missing. I hope he's okay. Another attempt to bounce off the 100 EMA here. Let's see if it goes up or down. Sitting on the EMAs, so 20 EMA really, but sandwiched between 3 EMAs. Looking for our next opportunity. And down it comes. It's now back almost down to where this blue candle started to form on the news. Got a special deal to tell everyone about from Phidias Trading. I might have seen a video that went up. I got a coaching session that we recorded from Matt there at Phidias Trading. That was posted yesterday to see. You can see his style of coaching, and he's offering a special Ox bundle, a one-on-one coaching session, 1 month in his elite circle trading community, the 25 rules of day trading video course, a 5-day futures trading challenge, interactive video course. It's a $800 value for just $249. I mean, that's less than just the coaching session is worth. If you've been struggling in trading and like to talk to a coach, remember Matt is the guy that was doing and he still does Beyond the Bell. He used to do it for Blue Sky, now he does it for himself. Big part of the MightyOxTrading community on the Discord. This is instead of maybe paying for another couple of evals if you've been struggling, maybe sit down with a trading coach that I really highly recommend. Might be your next investment that you should look into your trading. I'll post the link here in the Discord in a minute because I wasn't smart enough to have it ready. Maybe I was. Yeah, I am. There you go. As NQ continues to fall. If you have any questions about Matt or Phidias, feel free to ask. Happy to answer if I know the question. If not, I'll ask him. He's a really nice guy. Blue candle. doesn't give me the warm and fuzzies there. Did get a green line. You see, it did give me the warm and fuzzies, and so far that was the right feeling, but might pop up here anyway. Second blue candle too, so maybe it might give me the warm and fuzzies. I don't know. I'm not even sure why I'm using the term warm and fuzzies. That's a blue candle. Do I want it? Do I want it? I don't know. It's below the 9. At 9 EMA, it can be problematic. It actually finished above the 9, but I missed it, so that's fine. It worked, obviously. Nyetch. How did everybody do yesterday at that wild and wacky trading? Q looks like it wants to rise back up to where it was. Maybe it wants to reclaim 20,000 again. So once again, look at the 3 green lines, or bars, or whatever you want to say. Since we started, first blue candle, easy 10 points. Would have been 15. Second one, easy 15. I mean, easy 30, but you know, realistically. And then, of course, this recent one that I didn't trust, but also easy. Easy. Sorry about that crackling noise. You might have heard I was adjusting my headphones. Yeah, look at that rise up. Can it reclaim 20,000? It's above this area here. Boop, boop. Nice move up. Ooh, nice burst. Up to 987. That's nice trading plat. So where are you trading right now that's still allowing you to trade? Ah, okay. Oh, there's... So they're just not allowing it on the funded accounts? I saw Bulenox at the suspended trading. I didn't realize they still allowed it on the evals. Interesting. Platinum, big move up. Gold pulling back a little after a nice move up. You're going to continue to get better. Did reclaim 20,000. Now it's trying to continue to push. High of the overnight. We are at the high. Oops. Totally missed that. So yeah, high day. Now you can see we're not going to get that. Well, I shouldn't say we're not. But it'd be one heck of a day if we got back up to yesterday's highs. Hey, good morning, John. Glad to hear that. Also, congrats on the Tigers winning game 1. About 45 minutes till the bell. How's your trading this morning, John? It's amazing how that's like a problem almost in the entire major leagues. This lack of starting pitching at all. Oh no. You should not pay him. Coming back down. Was that a funded account or? Nice job. Just hanging here on the 9. Ouch. So how much money did you lose because of that? Just sitting on the 9, waiting to see which way it wants to move. 10 minutes until the top of the hour. 9 minutes till the top of the hour. Purple candle. Short. See if it drops for me. There it goes. Down to the 20 and bounces right. Ouch. That kind of sucked. See if it bounces back down for me. Or if that was my only my last opportunity. Come on. Oh, gonna stop me out. So hit that 20 and bounced up. Yeah. There goes the profit for the morning. Dang it. So continue up. So if I had a 5-point target on that, that would have worked. But obviously, it did. And down. So decided to just pop up more. So it's a little early on that purple candle, unfortunately. Back under 20,000 as we head toward the top of the hour. Back down to the Bollingers. Kind of flashing a green. Let's see. So we're getting a wonkiness here at the top of the hour. Blue candle pop. Up to the 9 and the 12. Nope, rejection. Oh, whoosh. Quiet Wednesday here at MightyOxTrading. Quite a pairing. Sitting right on the 100 EMA. There's a blue candle bouncing off the 100 EMA. But not getting the oomph and getting beaten back down. Down through the 100 EMA and falling. Trying to bounce, still under the 100. Little pop. We wait. Gold. Ooh, that's a wonky looking chart on gold. That's ugly. Ultravon still falling. Wow, really falling. Copper trying to get back up to high day. Crude falls. Dollar's doing well today. Bitcoin's not. Can't get through that 100 EMA. Ouch. That's a nice bounce. Tickles the 20. I mean, yeah, 20 EMA. Got some nice, just up, down, up, down, up. Rejects off the 20. About 21 minutes till the bell. Should soon see Mr. Ace join us. I think RJ's back tomorrow. And back down. Anyone else taking any trades yet this morning? Tomorrow we'll be trading the Phidias account. Try and get some progress there. Struggling to move down further here. We're just kind of sitting here waiting. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Everybody's so quiet today. Morning, Ace. How you doing? I'm doing all right. Blue candle pop here about 15 minutes before the bell. That 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart is kind of interesting. I'm sorry, 100 EMA. What are those EMAs? Stay below the 9, which is why I didn't take that blue candle. See if it was a mistake not to take it. Oh. So far, was not a mistake. Sitting at 9:45. Morning, Chris. How are you? Continues to fall. So just sitting here watching, waiting for my next opportunity. May not come until after the bell. It's about 10 minutes away. Not sure why I feel so tired this morning. Hopefully I'll wake up soon. We've slowed to a trickle here. Very slow price action at the moment. Why? Stifle yawns. Everything's kind of slow. Oh yeah, CL's been rising since yesterday's geopolitical events. Hey Rod, how you doing? Iran shot 200 ballistic missiles at Israel. Is there a problem with Rhythmic? Anyone else having a Rhythmic problem? Took a long there off that blue candle. Probably stupid here, 5 minutes or 6 minutes before the bell, but we'll see. I'm connected fine on. Let me verify that. Yeah, I'm connected on Fast Track. Make sure you're connecting to the right server on Fast Track there, Saudi guy. Or try a different server, different Fast Track server like another country. Ouch, stopped out. Blue Sky's on my blacklist. I would never use Blue Sky at this point. Well, that didn't work. Ouch. Should not have jumped in there 5 minutes before the bell. The biggest details are on my Discord, but basically a lot of disturbing stuff came out with them, and someone posted on my Discord, and the owner threatened me with legal action if I didn't sweep it under the rug and take it back off my Discord. Hey, welcome, RJ. I thought it was tomorrow. Shane Richards, welcome. Are you new? I don't recognize your name. Good morning. And by the way, that whole 50% sale they raised that they have going on now, they raised their prices before putting that sale on. So yeah, Blue Sky is one of the 4 firms on my blacklist. How is the golfing, RJ? Ace is lying. I had to console him every day. He was near tears. Wow, we're using big words like verboten. Statics. Uprofit has one now, but I've heard that the platform they're using for it isn't that great. There isn't a lot of good static options out there, unfortunately. Thinking. Give me a second. Let me look over my list. There's a new firm that's all static, but I haven't really studied them yet. I don't really think there's many good static options out there. I mean, Apex has one, but it's kind of sucky. Day traders, they're new. They were started by a former Apex employee. They have statics, but they're also kind of sucky. Uprofit might be the best one available right now. I mean, if you've already bought, did you already buy that blue sky static? I would work it. I mean, there's no reason to just throw it away. I think at this point, you're going to get paid. Just make sure you're taking quick withdrawals once you know. Yeah, continue to work that. Oh, here we go. Move down. Just, like I said, yeah, I think you'll be fine. Good. I'm glad you heard it, Ace. I know that brings you joy. Yeah. At this point, I think they're you'll still get paid. But be careful. I think he's going to run that company into the ground. Put it that way. But and there's other disturbing things. But right now, I think you're fine. Wow. Ace? Holy hell. Wow. Oh, there's a pop on NQ. They say once you pop, you can't stop. Stayed under the 20. I should have grabbed it. You missed it, RJ. Yesterday, Ace got like... How many points did you end up with yesterday, Ace? Wow, look at this NQ popping up. 32? I didn't realize it was that big. Is that your biggest ever, Ace? Yeah, I remember you doing like a 24 pointer one day a couple months back, but yeah. I thought you said that was your record then. 24 or 27. So, yeah, I was pretty sure 32 is your new record. Hopefully the family got steak. Pulls back, basically a bounce off the 100 EMA. Pulls down. Wow, big rejection off that 100 EMA and falling. Dow with a nice bounce. It's happy to see RJ back. Ooh, blue candle bounce there on NQ as well. See if it holds. Hey USC, how you doing? Continuing to work downwards. Getting we broke 900 for a second. Low I believe is 878. Overnight low 880, 878, 878. Yes, overnight low 35. So we're getting close. How's trading going so far, USC? US, yeah, USC. Thought I reversed that for a second. Getting toward that low, down to 887, 886. Oh, okay. New low a day, 874. We're long. Don't chase me. Just go in the direction I want you to go in. There it goes. Hey, come on. Went 8 points and pull back. Come on. ES still falling. That's not a good sign. Dow falling. I'm out. That's probably going to bounce back up on me now, but after that purple candle, this is not having a good day again. Whatever. Looks like a good get out there. Fucking trading shit. Whoosh. Down to 871. Still falling down to 863. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Just bleeding out again today so far. Do have a Fed speaker scheduled for the top of the hour. Well, about 10:05 actually. Blue candle bounce. Blue candle bounce goes away. Comes back. Watching and waiting. Nope, goes away again. Comes back again. Messing with my head, I'm long. Target's a 20 EMA. I'm sorry, target's a 9 EMA. Not quite getting there though. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Target hit. 20 points. She took that trade on a fast track account as well. Yeah, should have taken it when I got to the 9. Let's see if we can still push up here. There we go. Come on. Break through that 9. In at 848 on the fast track. So right now I'm up 20 points. See if we can break upwards. It's 2 micros. There we go. Boom. Like that. Boom. Look at this. Where'd that go? Just about at 40 points on 2 micros here. There. Boom. Hitting just about 900. Breaks 900. I think it's going to... no. Come on. Go. Go. Oh, boom. I'm out there. Quick, I think. There. Still think. There we go. Wow. That was a huge trade. 848 and out around 918. So that was what? That's like 70? Let me go look. Yeah, I'm up 240 on the fast track account. That was actually, I went in on 3 contracts, 3 micro contracts, and I actually got stopped out on one. I had one at a different stop. So, and then the other two went. So let's look real quick. Let me find the trade log and see how many points I actually got there. Um, I entered at 850 and got out at 915. So 65-point trade. That might be the biggest trade I've ever done. I don't usually hold that long. 65 points on NQ. $240 in profit and that's after taking a stop out on one, because I had a stop on one at the bottom and then one I didn't move. So I got stopped out on one originally at 839. So thank you guys. Wish I had done that actually on the MyFundedFutures account, but either way. I did get the 20-point win on MyFundedFutures. I thought I was toast because you can see how this pulled back down to 838 and then finally went. Almost a total 100-point bounce there total. Pulls back a little bit. Thank you, John. Thank you, Platt. Thank you, all of you. Pulls back here a little bit to the 100 EMA. Now, I don't use micros much. I'm doing it on the fast tracks because they're the 25Ks and they're small drawdowns. But it shows you can make money on micros. Wonder what it is about those times. Well, I guess 10:30 is the 10:30 classic, but I wonder what it is about 9:45. blue candle trying to bounce here off the EMAs. Blue went away. That's true. That whole 15 minutes opening range thing, maybe? I don't know. You should make and sell that course, RJ. Kind of pausing here now after that nice move up. I'll give you a good rate, RJ. Excuse me. Blue candle, but right underneath 100. I hate them there. Well, okay, well, it went away. Right under the EMA. Okay. Hey, market trends, how you doing? Well, now it's gotten all boring again. Top of the hour. So once again, quick reminder. Doing a flash sale with Phidias Trading, the only trading coach recommended by MightyOxTrading. Posted up a video yesterday of a coaching session I had with Matt from Phidias. And with that one, a flash sale, a one-on-one coaching session, 1 month in his Elite Circle trading community, 25 rules of day trading video course, and 5-day futures trading challenge interactive video course. All together is over an $800 value for just $249. It's limiting it to 10 of these bundles. It's a really good package, and just the coaching session. He's an awesome guy, easy to talk to. And if you're struggling with your trading, maybe instead of buying another eval right now or any of that, maybe spending some little bit of money with a trading coach might help out. So if you're interested in that, I'm posting the link up now. There you go. Good morning, Eddie. How are you doing? Don't recognize the names. I'm assuming you're new to the stream. Welcome. If I've just forgotten you, I apologize, and please excuse me. I'm old and the Alzheimer's is probably kicking in. Awesome. Well, glad to have you. Just 2 years behind me there, Eddie. Nice rise up. Back up to 942. So we've now bounced about 110 points. So I'm nosy, and I always like to ask new people questions, but always feel free not to answer me. Just tell me to shut up. I won't be upset. But I like to know, what assets do you like to trade? How long have you been trading? And do you use prop firms or your own money? Blue candle. It was a big blue candle. It was like 30 points. I didn't trust it. Ew. It's probably a regret. Going to be a regret here. Yeah, it is. I could have got 10, 15, 20. Someone smacked me for not taking that blue candle bounce off the 9. Wow, 25 years. Okay, I got you. Well, welcome back. And, oh yeah, one more question. How'd you find the channel? I'm always curious where people hear about MightyOxTrading. Was it a YouTube recommendation, or did you find it from someplace else? Excellent. Reminder, guys, gore that like button so we can get recommended to other people like Eddie and get some more awesome community members. Hit the like button. Took the short off the purple here. We're going to target the 9. So a smaller target on this, but we'll see if we get it. There we go. Oop, nope. Sniff the 9, bounce back. 9 might need deodorant. Ooh, target hit. 13-point winner there. I try to stay in front of the charts and the carts. So which prop firm or prop firms are you using, Eddie? Thank you, Eddie. Yes, I am. It's good recovery because I was down on the MyFundedFutures account. Now it's doing good. I'm actually taking the trades I'm supposed to be taking. Cool. Good choices. There's lots of good ones out there. Sitting on the 9. So now on MyFundedFutures we are up. Yeah, I can't find my window. There it is. We're up 236 on the day. Awesome. Rod, if you're feeling that nervous, then yeah, I would stop and start fresh. Do I not have them in the video description? It's, yeah, I'll type them here. Oh, is it? I'm sorry. There we go. I must not have hit the button right. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, definitely, if I accidentally leave that up for like more than like 30 seconds, let me know. Eddie, here you go. Those are the two. Those are the two codes. Ah, don't you hate that, Rod? Sorry about that. Yeah, usually that's only up for like 30 seconds as I'm talking about it, but so yeah, every now and then I accidentally forget to re-hit the button. So yeah, like I said, if you see it more than 30 seconds, let me know. You're welcome, and thank you for using my links if you use my links to sign up for any prompts. Another quick 20 point. All of a sudden, we are moving with speed here. I appreciate that very, very much. Purple candle again after this green line. Let's see where it goes. Not 100% confident in it. I'm actually I'm using Tradeify connected with TradingView. I actually take the trades on the Tradeify app, and that's connected with TradingView, and then I'll manage the trade on TradingView by moving my stops. But I actually, because I noticed that there's lag if I try to actually take trades on the TradingView platform. But anyone that has Tradeify, you can integrate with TradingView. So that would be Apex, MyFundedFutures, bunch of others. Tradeify, Legends, ETF, Take Profit Trader, TradeDay, funding trading. Hey, it's not on my master list. I don't have funding trading on my master list. How did I do that? Interesting. Didn't take that purple because it hit the 9. I don't trust it. Depending on when you were using them, Eddie, there was like a 2 week period where they just had major issues. Back in July, I want to say it was. But yeah, I seem to do okay with Trade of 8. But like I said, if I take the trade on on TradingView itself, that I seem to get really laggy. Oh yeah, unfortunately, yeah, that is one of the major drawbacks of the Trade of 8 copy trader. That is extremely annoying. Playing around the 9 EMA here, trying to decide which way it wants to go. You have to you have to manually set your stops and your targets like right after you enter the trade. I personally am not using the copy trader. I do every now and then, but for the most part, I trade my accounts separately. But yeah, I mean, you would just have to set your stop and target quickly manually after you enter the trade. Because it'll copy the manual orders that you place. Big blue pop. Yeah, it's not a real good thing. I'm hoping they continue to improve it, but I haven't seen any evidence that they really are. Another pop back up to 981. Maybe NQ wants to reclaim 20,000 again. Pulls back. It was a syringe candle. Yeah, Ninja Trader is a good platform too. I have like every platform. I have I have a Bulenox account and an Apex account on Ninja. I have Topstep X with Topstep. I have like the bottom of my screen is littered with various platforms. Yeah, yeah, definitely worry about doing that before really worrying about copy trading. Nice rise back up here. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Up to 20,000. There it is. Reclaims 20,000. Let's see if it can hold it. Still rising. What's our high? Are we making our new high? Yeah, we just made a new high. New high a day. Yes, not quite at its high day, which was 57.63. It's a couple points below. Hmm. Took a short there, targeting the 9. It's iffy. Oh, there we go. Maybe not. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Nice fall. Target hit. Boom. That was, darn, it's going to make me do math. 17 points. We're now up 567 on the day on the MyFundedFutures account. Quick fall, continuing down. Have a good one, Eddie. And have a good holiday. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Chris. Hope to see you again soon, Eddie. Yep, I'm actually taking my trades. Shocking how things work out when you actually take the trades that you're constantly looking at and backtesting and seeing that they work. I am 522 away from passing this MyFundedFutures account. Comes down to the 20. It's trying to bounce there. Let's see if it does. Continuing to fall. Now the one thing I should try to get comfortable with, if you look at this, I was in here, I got in here. If I had just, instead of taking a profit there, let me grab this. This is my original stop. I took a profit, on that candle still. You know, once this went down, you know, once we had the second, I should have stayed in. I could have moved my stop there and there. And then, you know, once this candle formed like this and I saw that wick, I could have got out there or just waited for it to hit. And then I could have got, like, you know, another extra 10, 15 points. As we watch this blue candle form. I don't trust this blue candle here. It might prove me wrong, but have a good one, Chris. For those of you, if anybody's trading crude, or your inventories are coming up in less than 4 minutes. Is your trade green USD? I should have trusted the blue. Right back up. Retouches 20,000. Looking at the 5-minute chart, looks like it wants to continue up. Excellent. Good job, USC. Can have the trigger point on the crude oil totally respecting that resistance one once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Trigger point also is great on ES in the overnight. Bounced off of it perfectly there during the 6 o'clock Eastern hour. Crude oil inventories whooshing down. Absolutely amazing. Pulling back here. And then Q hits the 9. Bounces off the 9 again. Still rising. I see. And I sang that already. We got up to 20.014 earlier. We're up to 20.010 now. Stagnant here though. Gold pulls back. Ultra bond just continuing to fall. Copper. See copper also respecting that second resistance on the trigger point, both here, here, and here. Trigger point is a support and resistance indicator by EG Indicators. I have a link for them down below. It's AI driven. Rising up. New high a day. Trigger point sitting at about 75 on NQ. Ooh, rejects there. Big rejection. Off 27, right back down to 20,000. Hits the 9. I'm possibly interested if it breaks the 9. But right now I don't like it. Too much wick on the bottom end. Should have been interested, it looks like. Maybe not. There we go. It went about 8 points, now bouncing. Sitting back at 20,012. We have about 25 minutes left in the stream. NQ is still trying to push up. Platinum pulled back, gold pulling back. Crude seemed to hate its inventories. So far, I'm sitting at 567 on the Tradeify account, on the MyFundedFutures accounts, and 240 on the Fast Track account. Those are the only two accounts I've traded today. Oh, might be coming down here. Might, I don't know. Nope, I didn't fall for it. Breaks through the 20. And try to bounce off the 20. And back up. Excellent job, USC. Excellent. Absolutely, Ace. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Sorry, I missed that the first time. Apologize. We have about 15 minutes to go here. Crude trying to bounce after it dropped hard on its inventories. Natural gas raining down. Purple candle, small purple candle right above the 9. I need it to break the 9. It is right after a green bar there, but it's not giving me the best signal. There we go. Now it breaks the 9. Short. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, well, it did look good for a second and then bounced. Ah, big bounce. Yeah, that's not looking like a favorable trade right now. No, that's gonna stop me. I'll get back some profit here. Dang. Shot down 10 points and then right back up. And that's the danger of when these green lines form and it doesn't hit the Bollingers. That's almost, it's oftentimes not as good. I should have got out right when I saw the bounce there. I could have got out for like break even, but we'll see. Trying again to come down. Still hanging on that 9. Can't decide where it wants to go from here. Ooh, nice move up. New high day. Shoots up to 20,054. Look at that. So this hourly candle's up 133 points right now. Pulls back. That was the purple. I mean, the red candle to take. That was a mistake. That I didn't grab that. Almost entirely outside the bands. You see, perfect entry. I missed it. And for that big move down. Wow, big drop. So from 20,056 all the way down to 19,987, so like a 75-point drop. Interesting purple candle there. I don't know. Glad I didn't trust it. Did shoot down exactly 10 points. I wouldn't have got exactly 10. So bouncing. Probably done for for the morning. How's everyone else finishing up? Or at least if you're not finished, how's everyone else sitting? Nice job, RJ. Rod, didn't we agree that you should have stopped? I'm glad you're green, USC. Work on getting it back, but don't force it, Platt. Tomorrow's another day. I'm glad you're green for the day, Rod. It's gotta be nearing your bedtime, isn't it, Rod? See you tomorrow, RJ. Glad that you're back. That fall in gold real quick. Whoa, that's a whoosh. Down 15 points from the high. Okay, we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for another great day of trading. Have a good one. Bye.